watched the last GoPro video as I'm leaving the Peltier Lake boat launch area. Everything was terrible out there today. The deer flies, I was dealing with 50 deer flies at once flying all around me, and bug repellent wearing off. And as you've seen, the brush was too high. The machete couldn't even help me out today. So I did make an attempt. I'll just make a video as I'm leaving the Peltier Lake boat launch. And heading through Centerville, Minnesota to catch 35E because my normal route to 35W is closed down for construction this weekend. See, this is the Peltier Lake boat launch, and my sighting area is out across that marsh there in the distance. This is County Road 14 right here. Runs through the park. You can access it from Centerville off 35V or 35W north. Exit on 23, and then you'll run into County Road 14, and you'll be heading east on it like this. This highway runs through Centerville, so you won't find it hard to access this park if you want to come out here and research. Again, this is Peltier Lake, and behind this high brush here. And if the brush wasn't so thick, you'd be able to see Peltier Island. Now I'm heading into Centerville, Minnesota. So 2 ways you can get on the County Road 14. 35W north, exit on 23, and then take a left and continue down for a mile or two. You'll run into County Road 14, which you'll take a right on, and you'll be going the direction I'm going now. Or you could take 35E north, exit on County Road 14 in Centerville, Minnesota, and go through the town like I'm doing now. It does feel great to be back in the air conditioning of this truck. The humidity's getting high out there. The bugs were too bad. And the brush, as you see, was extremely high. So this is the downtown Centerville area. I believe if you take a right here, you get more into the downtown area. Heading over to 35V to head back into town. Again, this is Centerville, Minnesota, just off 35E north. Exit marked as County Road 14, which is the street street I'm on now. Or the road I'm on now. County Road 14, the sign is visible, I'm not sure. And junction 35E, as you see, is coming up. And I believe this is the exit I need here. Yep, 35E south. And you go north from cities and exit here on County Road 14, which is right here I'm on now. I'm just running a clip to make it a little entertaining, showing the route it's needed to take to get to this park area and the setting area. July 17th, 2016. Billy Jack wrapping up a brief expedition to my sighting area, which I didn't get to today because of the rush and low conditions. But I did manage to get to the BF4 sighting area near Peltier Lake and the Heritage Lab site. This is 35 East South. W south towards Minneapolis. A good shot of downtown Minneapolis you'll see here in a minute if the GoPro cam picks it up. Approaching the 35W bridge across the Mississippi, and downtown should be to the right here. I'll see if I can capture that for you guys. There's downtown Minneapolis. Gonna make a run to the coffee shop again before I head home.